Nuts, honey, puff pastry. What can go wrong? Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. Okay, for the nut layer, we're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup of chopped pistachios, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and just a dash of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of butter melted, and we're going to mix it until it's just combined. Once it's combined, just set it aside, and let's get our puff pastry ready. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Get a baking pan with parchment paper and make 6 piles of the nut mixture you just made. Cut a thawed puff pastry sheet into 6 squares. Drizzle a little bit of honey on your nuts, lay each square directly on top of a nut pile, and press the edges down with a fork. Brush the tops with egg wash, which is a mixture of 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Lastly, cut some small steam slits. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes until golden brown and crisp. Okay, so we're going to put the cutting board right on top. We're going to flip it over. And let's hope and pray it all comes out nice and neat. Okay, we have parchment paper. We just want to peel back gently. Might need to put some nuts back into place. There we go. It looks so good. It smells good too. Okay guys, the puff pastry is done, ready to go. It smells great. Let's see if we can get David in here to try it. Hey David!
Yes.
I've got baklava puff pastry. You want to try it? See, it's
Finally.
the new. It's the new. It's like the upside down desserts. So
yeah, because the last time you made this, the kids ate it all. I never got to touch it. So and I've always wanted to try baklava, and I never really had real baklava.
Well, let's try it.
Oh, is this real baklava? Oh, it's light.
And I would check it around between 10 and 12 minutes just to make sure your sugar's not burning and everything's going okay. But it tastes okay?
You're going to need a toothpick. Our sugar's going to get in your teeth, but it's worth every second of it.
Oh my
you
gosh.
Just keep talking.
No, I can't.
We'll keep talking.
No. The puff pastry is awesome. Can't go wrong with puff pastry. Pistachios? Come on now.
That's really good.
It's good.
Oh, it's really good.
Trust the process. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
Have a great day.